Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlike all of your liked posts on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Then go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. And then now you want to click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on settings and click on your activity. Then now you want to choose interactions and click on likes. So by the way, I'm going to teach you how to unlike posts individually and all at once. So first, I'm just going to teach you how to unlike individually. So you want to click on the post that you want to unlike and click on the heart so that you can unlike that post. So that is how you unlike individually. But if you want to unlike all of your posts all at once, just click on the select option at the upper right corner of your screen and select in all of the videos that you want to unlike and click on unlike button at the lower part of your screen and click unlike. And now as you can see, all of my liked videos is disappeared or removed. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.